Well, this time of year, you never know what's coming. Believe me, every day is a surprise. To be honest, I kind of like it that way, but got up this morning and the temperature is slated to go up into the high 40s and maybe even the low 50s. The low 50s. My God, I feel like I live in Florida or California. But so what that means is there's a good chance after breakfast we can get a little ride in. Now, I haven't ridden this bike in quite a while, and I have never ridden it with the, well, I don't have the side parts on, but with the trim on. So I thought what I could do today, take a short ride up into one of the scenic areas here locally and get some pictures, use it for kind of a photo shoot day. And basically that's why we keep the bikes on battery tender with fully charged batteries all through the winter, because you never know when one of these days is going to sneak up on you. And a lot of times they predict, oh, tomorrow it's going to be really nice and warm and sunny, and it rains or it snows or whatever the hell happens. A tsunami comes through. But a day like today, it's a surprise. We'll take it. I'll have an extra cup of coffee and we'll get out on the open road and get one more. Actually, it would probably be the last ride we get on that before we start taking the parts off for painting, the fairing parts and whatnot. And as I always say, that's the way I prefer my life to be. No Groundhog Days. Every day a surprise. Of course, what I really would like to have is a good surprise every day, not a bad surprise. Well, sometimes you get both. And once the 650 is pulled apart for the winter, then all these other bikes will get their rotation on sunny days. But today, it looks like it's going to be a 650 day. Now, out in the sun with those side cover pieces removed, one of the things about this restoration is all of the paint on the motorcycle has these little sparkles in it. So when we do the gloss black, of course it won't have the sparkles in it. I think that's going to look even nicer. And I do want to get, as I said, not many nice leaves on the trees anymore, but we'll get some nice pictures out in some of the nice areas where we ride that are only about 30-40 miles away from here. Not sure you can really see, but the fish are already in full hibernation. Anybody that raises fish, like I do, they know that's what's coming. They know, these fish know winter's coming, but they don't know that today we're going to get a little ride in. And our grass has gone to seed. We have had such a wonderful summer. I hate to see it end. This is a problem we've had for a long time. Goofy sleeping under my van. We get ready to go out for a motorcycle ride. Bike is all ready to go. I'm ready to go. We got to watch out with Goofy. Here he comes. Look at this. What a fun cat. He goes and takes a drink out of the pond. This poor cat is so old, he has one tooth. He's basically deaf. He doesn't hear you. And he goes to take, look at this. I couldn't even have staged this. You think he's a trained cat? And as the water goes down a little bit, I'm always afraid he's going to fall in the water. Goofy, you're going to fall in the water. Oh my God. The drama never ends. And I have to always say one thing. I really do like this motorcycle. It's surprisingly underrated and always a lot of fun to ride. And boy, did I get a couple extra rides out of that tire. We are ready to mount the tire. I didn't want to mount it and then have to scratch up the gold wheels. nice that we get to preview the bike with the arrowheads on. See what it looks like out in the real world. And every day I get to ride this bike, I like it more than the day before. This is really what I call a keeper. That was only, not that long ago, a couple of days, a week. These trees were all orange and yellow, and the ride was totally different, but it's still great to be out of the house. And all the leaves are gone. Up here, there is virtually not a leaf on a tree. The leaf season is over. You can see as you get north of us, the lakes are already frozen. All the little lakes are frozen. Wow. Who knew? There's definitely about 8 or 10 degrees colder up here. It's probably in the 30s up here. Now we're about 40 miles north of Rutherford right now, and it's gotten a lot colder. In fact, some of the small lakes have ice on it. And this is what makes rides like today a little more enjoyable. The electric gloves, I don't even put them on the high setting, on the medium setting. They're fine. And boy, they save your bacon. Well, we stole a ride today. I did not expect it to be, well, even rideable. It was rideable. It was a nice day. Cold, but nice. Sunny. And the electric gloves make it all possible. Without the electric gloves, you could die on a day like today. The lakes are starting to get frozen up north, but it's still a lot of fun to ride. And we'll sneak a day in any day we can. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.